dito po sa
Good morning.
latest update dito po sa EDSA Rehabilitation, nasaan na po tayo? Are we really going to start ngayong March? Meron na po ba tayong exact date ng pagsisimula? At ano na po yung
Yes, yes.
uunahin mismo? Will it be northbound or southbound talaga?
Well, there are two segments actually. We will start actually since yung sa March. Ang schedule namin is yung northbound from dito sa intersection ng Balintawak going to Caloocan. I-rehabilitate na yan, no? Yung northbound lang, yung segment na yan lang muna. Yung segment na yan. Now, after that, we will try to start now the rehabilitation of yung bus lane, yung busway lane southbound.
Okay. So sabay pong
Yun,
gagawin
yun,
po pala ito.
yeah. Ikuha na namin yung southbound bus lane muna ang gagawin namin, no.
Buong
Concentrate namin yung bus lane.
saan po exactly sa southbound na bus lane ang uunahin natin, Sec?
Well, sorry Cha, hindi ko alam kung saan sisimulan ito, but I think it's going to be in segments ito, no? In segments ito. Tinitingnan namin kung saan yung mas madaling gawin na hindi nakakaabala ng traffic, because we are coordinating this with DOTR also and MMDA for the traffic management. Kasi ang DOTR, we understand that they will also simultaneously be undertaking some upgrading or rehabilitation doon sa mga bus stations.
Yes po.
Gagawin din nila yon. May mga improvements na gagawin nila doon. So, yun ang nangyari dyan. So, as we start to gawin namin yung bus lane, I think the buses will have to be sharing lanes with the open lanes muna for the time being.
Okay.
Shared lanes muna kasi nalito yung ilang publiko ang akala nila isasara yung EDSA bus carousel. Just to be clear, sinabi na rin to ni Sec Vince Dizon, bukas pa rin ang EDSA bus carousel. It will be a shared lane. Pero Sec Manny, inaasahan ba natin yung buong kabuuan nitong EDSA rehabilitation? Isang taon po ba ito or will it be more than a year?
We'll try to do it March na kasi. So I think ang kwan namin sana dito is actually about 14 months, no? 14 months for one direction. So kung na sana namin itong southbound, we could have completed it in 14 months, but it may spill over a little bit in 2026. Then after the 2026, eto na challenge din namin because I think the ASEAN meeting will be already in Manila. So we will see how we are going to implement yung northbound lane naman without disturbing too much traffic during the ASEAN meeting sa Manila. At the same time, actually kasi, we will also try to, ito kasi Guadalupe Bridge will also have to be implemented within the 2026 kasi 2025 gagawa muna kami ng Titor bridges alongside Guadalupe Bridge para pag kinalaw namin yung mga outer lanes, may matadaanan muna temporarily sa mga sasakyan. And then yung actual rehabilitation of the outer lanes of Guadalupe Bridge siguro by 2026 na.